Hey beauties, so this one has been sitting in the vault for quite some time. It's a candle making video. I am a very creative person and this is some DIY for my channel. So my sister got this for my birthday in November about 1 or 2 years ago, and I'm finally getting around to actually posting the video. Can you believe it? So anyway, let's get into it because it's going to be a very short, simple video. In this clip, I'm just showing you all the things that come inside the box. It's a box that's very beginner friendly. It has everything that you need. I didn't really have to get anything from outside in order to make this candle. So now I'm just putting the pieces together. So step 1 is to prepare the candle tin and wick. Step 2 is to melt the wax, which I will do off camera. Step 3, add some color. Step 4, add the fragrance oils. Step 5, pour the wax. Step 6, trim the wick. And it's really that simple. So you're going to see me go through and do the whole process, and I'm going to just sit back and relax and allow you to just enjoy the visuals and the music. But of course, the guide will give you much more information, and I'll put a link down below to a similar box if you want to do your own candle making at home. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.